An antique Gothic Revival mantel clock attributed to Bruce J. Talbert and made by Hart, Son and Peard Co, the attributed makers. Made around circa 1870. Bruce James Talbert, 1838 to 1881, was a Scottish architect, interior designer and author, best known for his work in the Gothic Revival style. Talbot supplied work to many manufacturers, including Hart, Son, Peard Co, who were artistic metalworkers. This imposing clock stands 25.5 inches or 65 centimetres high. The brass case has engraved decoration and is mounted with 8 ruby glass cabochon finials and is surmounted by a further red glass mounted spike finial. It is engraved above the dial with an armorial crest, which is inscribed Perseverantia Victor, which is Victor through perseverance, probably a family crest. The 6-inch dial is enamelled with patterns inscribed by Celtic designs. It has Roman numerals and pierced and engraved brass hands. The 2-train clock movement strikes the hours and the halves on a gong. It's numbered 6261. It's a great clock with large detailed proportions. It runs well and has its key. Thanks for looking.